Manifest your specific person as quickly as possible with this simple manifestation routine. Today, I'm going to discuss with you a manifestation routine that you should follow starting right now, right after you watch this video. So, take notes, all right? Right after you watch this video, start with this formula because you're going to see that no matter what your situation is with your specific person, if they're not talking to you, if they're not committed to you, if they're giving you hot and cold behavior, no matter what your situation is, like even if you're in an extreme no contact situation for years and years on end, do this and your specific person will come to you. Your specific first person will give you the commitment that you are looking for. So if you're ready for it, follow this routine along and see how quickly your 3D changes to match your mental image, your thoughts. All right. So let's dive in. Hello everyone, I am Neha Kumar, and on this channel, my mission is to help you guys become masters at manifesting your dream reality. Because listen, we are all master manifestors, we are always manifesting. Just that sometimes, most of the times, in fact, for the normal people, they're manifesting things they don't want. But I want you guys to become people who are able to manifest things that you do want. And let's discuss today how you can do that. A simple routine that you can use to manifest your specific person. All right. So here's what you're going to do. You are going to set aside a simple 15-minute timeline where you are either going to affirm or visualize or use any manifestation technique, right? With whichever suits you best. Because understand, the power is not in the technique, the power is simply in your focus, your repetition, and your consistency. Because manifestation is literally you bringing into form, bringing from the thought form to the physical 3D reality to your circumstances, the things that you think about. And when do things that you think about, your thoughts, your visual images, turn into physical things that you can see, smell, taste, touch, and feel? When they become your assumptions, when what you're thinking, what you're visualizing becomes your assumption. Now, it doesn't matter what technique you use to turn a thought into an assumption, but when it becomes an assumption, that is when it's going to manifest. So I want you to pick a technique that you are comfortable with. You could pick affirmations, you could robotically affirm for those 15 minutes, you could visualize for those 15 minutes, you could script for those 15 minutes, right? You could even go to bed, like you can add on to these 15 minutes with a SATs routine at the end when you go to the bed. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to take out 15 minutes of your time in the day whenever you are free. It would be preferable if it's early in the day, right? So like write write like the top 15 minutes of your day early in the day, because that's like going to help you set the tone throughout the day, and that's going to help you literally stay in the state throughout the day. Do that. Take those 15 minutes out. If you're robotic affirming, you can use these affirmations. I would suggest go up to 1 to 3 affirmations. So what you're going to do is you can use these affirmations that I'm giving to you as an example. My specific person is absolutely smitten with me. My specific person always wants to talk to me, and my specific person and I have a very healthy relationship. Now, use these 3 affirmations. You can even, replace the term specific person with the name of the person, right? So let's say you're trying to manifest someone whose name is Neha. My name is Neha, right? So just to give you an example, you could say I and Neha have a very healthy relationship, right? So this is how you can change your affirmations. But use these 3 affirmations, affirm them robotically for 15 minutes. You can even pick just one of these 3 affirmations that you like the best. Pick that affirmation, robotically affirm this for 15 minutes. That's it. The remainder of the day, what you have to take care of is having a good mental diet. And if you can, play a subliminal in the background when you're not doing, by the way, when you're not doing work that needs your attention. So, like while driving or while operating heavy machinery, stuff like that, or in a meeting, okay? Important meeting. Don't play these subliminals, but Every other time apart from that, if you can play a subliminal throughout the day, that's going to help you. Do that. Observe a good mental diet, right? And ignore the 3D the best you can, right? There's no need to check the 3D, because understand that when you realize that your assumptions are creating reality, you know that with this 15 minute that you've spent affirming, or let's say if you visualize or you script, right? The 15 minutes that you are spending have done the effort that it needs to take to turn a thought into belief. So you don't have to worry. The 3D will change on itself. You don't have to check the 3D, right? Trust the process. Don't check the 3D. They keep up a good mental diet. Keep the subliminals in the background if you want, for added oomph, right? For added oomph into your manifestation practice. When you go to bed, do a SATs practice. So in SATs you can repeat the affirmations, but if you want to go an extra mile, you can visualize, right? So just visualize you and your SP sitting in your favorite restaurant, having the time of your life. Okay, so visualize this scene and go to bed. Visualize this scene on repeat, go to bed, and this is your routine. This is what you have to do. And when you do this, with the most important thing being your mental diet, and keeping a tab on how you are feeling and the thoughts that you are thinking throughout the day, which is your mental diet, right? You're going to see that the affirmations that you are using, the visualizations that you are using, are going to give you so much better result than they ever have before. Because, like I said, it's not about what you visualize, it's not about what you affirm or what you script. It's about what you do the rest of the day. Do you act like the person who has it, or you fret? You constantly check the 3D. You are constantly affirming the 3D hasn't changed yet. You know, when you make an observation, we think that we are just making an observation, right? I've just said, oh, the 3D hasn't changed. You didn't make an observation, you made an affirmation. That affirmation, if you keep making that affirmation for more than 15 minutes a day, nothing can help you, nothing will change. Remember this: your predominant thought patterns, your predominant visualizations manifest. So just think about it. Do you think a small 15-minute affirmation session is going to overpower 23 hours, 45 minutes of negative thinking? No. So get a grip. You'll need to be disciplined, especially if you're very, very serious about this manifestation. You will need to be disciplined, get a grip on yourself, take care of what's going on in your head, take care of what you visualize. Because we are visual beings and you are visualizing. Just that you're visualizing the worst case scenario. So go on, visualize the best case scenario. This will take practice. This will take time, especially if right now you are at a place where everything is going against you and nothing's manifesting the way it should. That is because you are predominantly thinking negative kind of thoughts. There's no other explanation. There is no exceptions, or there is no exception in this universe. Nobody can predominantly visualize bad things happening to them and manifest the positive. That's just not how it works. So pick a technique that works for you. You can script, you can visualize. You can visualize having the time of your life with your SP, visualize yourself replying to their texts in those 15 minutes, going out, having fun, talking about your future together. You can script the same, right? Pick a technique that works best for you, that you enjoy doing. By the way, that's how I pick a technique. So sometimes for different manifestations I'll choose a different technique, just choosing what makes me feel good. So you pick a technique that makes you feel good, use that technique for 15 minutes, have a good mental diet throughout the day. If you can, play a subliminal in the background, right? Go on rampages. Rampages are like different affirmations that you talk, or you talk out loud, or you can even rampage in your head, but different affirmations, different sentences that you speak that tell you that you already have what you desire. Do this, do sats when you go to bed. And if you're doing all of this, by the way, let me add this: if you're doing all of this, if you wobble, if you're having a reaction for an hour or 2 hours, it doesn't matter, because the predominant thoughts manifest. So if you are spending more than 12 hours of your day thinking better thoughts, better visualizing better the best case scenarios, then a little bit of a wobble here and there is not going to affect you. You do this and you will see everything change in your life. You will see your SP come to you, beg for your attention all the damn time. In fact, like when I make such videos, I always have people texting me. I just received a text. This is how quickly it works when you get into that state and when you're not thinking opposing thoughts, right? Like every time it happens, every time I make specific person videos, somebody or the other ends up messaging me. Multiple people just received a text. So do this, do it the best you can, be disciplined, and you will see your specific person beg for your attention. All right, so thank you so much for joining me here today. Thank you so much um, for being here today, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to it. Comment master manifester, like this video, share this video, and to book personal coaching with me, you can check the description box or my pinned comment in the comment section for all the details, and I will see you again soon. Bye.